We just got the NUDUKO Kids Bamboo Toothbrushes. You know bamboo is sustainable, and these toothbrushes, they're environmentally friendly. So we got, how many? 6. We got 6 colorful toothbrushes. I'm going to show you, it has different colors. The packaging for these toothbrushes are recyclable. So you have a blue one like this. Our favorite color is, what's your favorite color?
Pink.
So there are other colors in here. One thing I love about this is that it's compostable, and also it's really to the size of the child's hand. We're gonna first wet the toothbrush, and even though it's made from bamboo, you can see that it's not affecting the toothbrush, and it has very nice soft bristles. So we're just gonna put a little bit of toothpaste on it, so you can see it works really well. Let's see how you're brushing your teeth. Oh, good job. So you guys see, it's so easy to handle, and she loves it. Other toothbrushes that we get, they slip and slide, and as you can see, this one is not slipping and sliding. It has a nice grip to it, and it's working out very well. You can see no toothpaste is stuck in between the bristles, and our teeth is so clean.